Ooh.
Oh. You don't like the frosting, sweetie? Here. Another right texture.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm trying to help her out.
Want to eat some?
You had gum instead, remember?
I don't want any.
I'm not going to have any either, Dakota.
I'm not going to have any either.
Yeah.
What do you think? Huh? Does she like it? Mmm.
Mommy, yeah. It's it.
Okay, watch out. People are saying, look how Maya's doing. You swallowed the gum, huh?
I swallowed the gum.
Uh-oh. You swallowed it, really?